Hey everybody, it's Papa Knows Stuff here. I had an unboxing on my Apple Watch Ultra 3 the other day, and I love the watch, but for some reason I absolutely hate the watch band, and I'll tell you why. If you take a look at this down here, it's a little small, but I don't like this little loop at the end here that you have to lock in the bracelet, and it's one of those kind where it's like the old school watch bands back in the day. You've got this little tab thing on here. I don't like it. That's just all I can say about it is I just don't like it. So to that end, I bought some watch bands that I'm going to like better. I know I am. And I'll show you what I got. So I bought a pack of 6 watch bands. This is what they look like. All right, that's the 6 of them. Comes in like an orange, like an army green, a royal blue, a slate blue. I think this is a lightish, somewhat gray, and black. And they look pretty good, and they kind of work like my old style watches did, which is what I really like about them. And then I thought I would try this one. This one really caught my eye. Now let me see if I can actually open it. This one is more of what they call a magnetic band. I really wanted to try that. That's why I bought it. I want to start out with this one and see if we can get it open. There we go. Not sure what this is, but you can see it's magnetic, right? But again, I don't know what that's for. Once you put this on the watch, right, it just kind of, and it doesn't pull apart from there. It's exactly what I'm looking for. It's going to fit your wrist, and it's got a little slide piece on here that you can adjust. All right. So I'm going to try this one to start with, and I don't know if it matters what goes first or what comes after or how you think about it. But since this has this loop on it, I'm going to go with this being the replacement for here. Okay, that's what I think anyway. So I'm going to take this band off. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put that there. We're going to take this side off. We're going to put this over here. Oh, I put it in upside down. All right, this is going to go this way. I don't know why that doesn't want to seem to slide through there. Let's go this way with it. It seems to stick right here. I just don't know why. It just seems to stick. It will not go through the watch. Very strange. Very strange indeed. I cannot seem to get that to go in. Up here it is. There. Just was a little funky, I guess, to start with. Let's see if we can do the other side now. There we go. All right, so that's the way that's going to look. All right, now I don't know if I've got it on the right side or not, but let's give it a shot. This is just going to go on your wrist like this. And this is just going to come across and magnetically latch in place. That's about how I can describe it, and I actually like it. You can fit it however you want to fit it on here. And then you can actually, if you want, you can put this over the end so it won't get loose. But I'm going to wear this to bed tonight and see how it goes. But yeah, maybe just a little bit tighter. And to do the tighter, it's no big deal. You just like undo the magnetic piece and just let it fall a little tighter, just like that. You see how it goes? So I like this a lot. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna try this, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try the other bands that I have in the package over here. But I want to take a look at one of them while I have you here, because I think all of them are pretty good. That's that one. Way better than this. I just didn't go for the old school tab here. I just didn't like it. Right? So on this kit, I want to take a look at the orange one. And this is like what I'm used to using, okay? Where you have the watch band, right? And you come across your wrist. This is going to fit where you want it to fit. You kind of just push it in, right? You push it in, and then you can tuck this in like that, and that's gonna be just like what you're used to. Now these are supposed to be large, but I'm gonna just hold one up and see what it's gonna look like on me. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna come like that with it, see where we end up. So we're gonna end up right here with it. So let me take the other side, put it in here. So that's gonna be plenty big for what I'm looking for. That's gonna be a good fit. So this is the next thing that we're gonna try out. All right, definitely the next thing we're going to try out. And again, the way this works is it just comes down here. You pick a hole that's right sized for you. You push the tab in it, right? The tab gets pushed in, and then this gets tucked in underneath here. So it's going to be, it'll be on your wrist like this. Okay, just like that. I don't know if you can see it or not. Kind of like the way a lot of the bands did on the non-ultra watches, which I was very used to. So that's it for now. I thank you for watching this unboxing of these watch bands. I tried to want to like the one that came with the watch, but I just can't do it. It's just not something that I like. And as far as size goes, this was kind of small, but now this, if I come all the way to the end here, and just let these touch, you can see this is a little bit bigger. And this was actually on the last hole. But that's all I have to say for now. This magnetic one feels pretty comfortable. I can't see where that can get ripped off, but I'm going to actually use my watch to trigger it and shut the camera off. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. With a button press, we'll find the camera application on the watch and say, have a good night.